Hi everyone, this is Clarissa and I'm here to help you with the CoinMarket sign up. So first go to the CoinMarket website at www.coinmarket.ca, and here you'll find that we have on the top right hand corner a place for you to select the language that you prefer. Since this is an English tutorial, we'll stay with English. Next, you'll click on sign up here. Here you'll enter your email, and mine is just coinmarket@mailinator.com. Let's take a look. It's mailinator.com, right? And here you'll create a password with one upper, one lower, and one number at least with 8 characters. So I'm just going to create my password and type in the matching password. So let's take a look if this is matching. Okay, so here you'll see that an email verification has been sent to this email, and here it just shows up at your email, and enter the email and select confirm my account. Just click here. So now we're gonna go enter the email again, coinmarket@mailinator.com, and then the password. So the 2FA code is going to be a Google Authenticator code that it provides an extra layer of security, but we're not going to worry about that now, and we'll just log in. So we're logging in, and here you're going to have to complete the profile by clicking the here on the click here. Just click here, and then so we completed the email verification. Next is the phone verification. So here you type in your phone number, and the phone number is 236-996-8468. That's our company phone number, and we'll just submit. And here we're going to receive a verification code. See, verification code right there, that one. Okay, so the verification code is 81245. It will be in your phone messages. Okay, so we will be verifying. Great, and we are at step number 3, ID verification. And here you'll be able to upload a document. And the document, the first document you'll need will be a government identity card, passport, or driver's license. And that would be a picture ID. And the second ID you'll need would be a banking institutional card with your name. It could be like a credit card with your name to further identify you. So we'll need 2 pieces of ID, and then you will be able to take a picture with your cell phone and upload it, or you can, if you have a scanner at home, to scan it. Some of the scanner images might be a bit big, so I'll show you here. So I downloaded it. So this would be a sample identification. Here, as you can see, a driver's license and a credit card. And of course, these 2 will need to match. Since this is sample, they're not really matching. And we're gonna have to, sometimes if the file is too big, you can just take a screenshot right here. Take a screenshot from section right there. Okay. And then you'll say sample ID. Okay. And then you can add it here. So it'd be in your documents, a sample ID, open. See, and it's, before it was a bit big, the file, so now the file has become smaller with the screen section taken, and then you will just have to put the photo document type here, which would be a driver's license, and then you put in the expiry date, which is 2023, so that would be January, January 2023. 2023 right here. 11th. Oh. 2023. Make sure you put the correct year, and that would be the 11th. There you go. And then the document number, like this would be the document number, so it would be K1234. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so then you would upload. And then we're here at step 4, information verification, where you're gonna have to put in your first name, your last name, date of birth, and country, and address. So I'm just gonna make something up. Clarissa, and it'd be L, and then date of birth. Okay, we'll just select that. We'll just select a random date of birth. And country, Canada, and then it would be the address, like 888 Main Street. Okay, city, Vancouver, postal code 6V56RT9. Let's just try that. We'll just make something up for now, but please do not make anything up. It will have to be the correct information. Name is too short. Okay, let's just put an I there. Let's try that. Okay, perfect. On step number 5, Google Authentication Verification. And here you'll need to download the Google Authenticator. It's an extra layer of protection that automatically generates a new password for you every 30 seconds. So you'll need to go to your cell phone. And in your cell phone, if you have an Apple cell phone, then you'll be going to the Apple Play Store or Apple App Store. And if you have a Samsung or a Google Android phone, then you'll be going to your Google Apps Play Store or Samsung Apps Play Store. So just go to that now. So I went to the Google Play Store, and here you'll be searching for the Google Authenticator. Okay, and then the Google Authenticator will look like this. Click on the Google Authenticator, and here you'll be installing it onto your cell phone. Install, okay. Once it's installed, alrighty, we're gonna go back. So once it is installed, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the cell phone. Okay. It's gonna look like this, Google Authenticator, and you can see right here, that's the time and it's shrinking. That's the 30-second countdown, and this is the password you're gonna have. But first, in order to add a new device, you have to press the plus, okay? And then it will tell you to scan a barcode. I'll show you. So now, okay, so you're gonna scan barcode, and using your cell phone, this will appear. This is where you're gonna scan this barcode right here on the website. So I'm gonna scan this barcode. So place the barcode within the red line. See, look. So now it's been a new account has been added. As you can see, there was one account and now there's a second account, and that is what you need. So we're gonna have to type it in quickly. Oh, see, it changed again, the password. So we will type that password in quickly so it doesn't change, and we're gonna authenticate now. And the authentication is successful and it's been verified.